What is Azure Security Center? Azure Security Center is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that helps organizations to monitor and improve the security posture of their Azure resources and workloads. It provides a centralized view of security-related information and recommendations, as well as advanced threat detection and remediation capabilities. What is Azure Compliance? Azure Compliance refers to the set of regulations, standards, and industry-specific requirements that Microsoft Azure cloud services must comply with to ensure the security, privacy, and integrity of customer data. Azure Compliance includes certifications and audits for various regulatory frameworks, such as GDPR, HIPAA, ISO 27001, SOC 1, and SOC 2, among others. These certifications and audits demonstrate Azure's commitment to maintaining strong security and compliance controls to protect customer data and provide assurance to customers that Azure meets the highest industry standards for compliance. What is Azure Trust Center? Azure Trust Center is a website and a set of resources provided by Microsoft Azure that provides information about Azure security, compliance, privacy, and transparency practices. It helps customers understand how Microsoft protects their data and helps them meet regulatory and compliance requirements. The Azure Trust Center provides access to compliance documentation, certifications, third-party audit reports, security and privacy white papers, and other resources that demonstrate Azure's commitment to trust and security. What is Azure Cost Management? Azure Cost Management is a tool provided by Microsoft Azure that helps users monitor, analyze, and optimize their cloud spending across various Azure services. It provides cost visibility, cost control, and cost optimization recommendations to help users better manage their cloud expenses. What is Azure Billing? Azure Billing refers to the system and processes used by Microsoft Azure to manage and bill customers for their usage of Azure services and resources. It allows customers to view and manage their usage, costs, and invoices for Azure services, and provides tools for optimizing and controlling their spending on the platform. What is Azure Service Health? Azure Service Health is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that provides personalized alerts and guidance regarding the health of Azure services in your environment. It helps you stay informed about service issues, plan for planned maintenance, and stay updated on the status of your Azure resources. What is Azure Support? Azure Support is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that offers technical assistance and guidance to customers using the Azure Cloud Computing Platform. What is Azure Community? Azure Community is a platform created by Microsoft that provides a space for developers, IT professionals, and other Azure users to connect, share knowledge, and learn from each other. It includes forums, blogs, events, and other resources that allow community members to collaborate and find solutions to common problems related to Azure services and products. What is Azure Marketplace Publisher? Azure Marketplace Publisher is a program that allows software vendors, developers, and businesses to publish their applications, services, and solutions on the Azure Marketplace, a cloud-based application marketplace provided by Microsoft Azure. As a publisher, they can offer their products to Azure customers, who can discover, try, and purchase them directly from the marketplace. The program provides tools, resources, and support to help publishers manage their listings, promote their offerings, and grow their businesses on the Azure platform. What is Azure Managed Applications? Azure Marketplace Publisher is a program that allows software vendors, developers, and businesses to publish their applications, services, and solutions on the Azure Marketplace, a cloud-based application marketplace provided by Microsoft Azure. As a publisher, they can offer their products to Azure customers, who can discover, try, and purchase them directly from the marketplace. The program provides tools, resources, and support to help publishers manage their listings, promote their offerings, and grow their businesses on the Azure platform. What is Azure Resource Graph? Azure Resource Graph is a service in Microsoft Azure that provides a unified programmatic interface to query the metadata of Azure resources across multiple subscriptions and regions. It enables users to quickly and efficiently search, analyze, and visualize resource properties and relationships using a powerful query language called Kusto Query Language, KQL. What is Azure Resource Explorer? Azure Resource Explorer is a web-based tool provided by Microsoft Azure that allows users to view and interact with Azure resources and their properties in a hierarchical structure. It provides a comprehensive view of the resources deployed in an Azure subscription, including their metadata and relationships, and allows for easy navigation and inspection of their properties. This tool can be used by developers, operators, and security professionals to gain insights into the infrastructure, troubleshoot issues, and perform various administrative tasks. What is Azure PowerShell? Azure PowerShell is a command-line tool that allows users to manage and automate Azure resources and services using PowerShell scripting language. It provides a comprehensive set of complex PowerShell commands that can be used to perform various Azure-related tasks, such as deploying virtual machines, creating storage accounts, configuring network settings, and more. Azure PowerShell is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems and can be used to manage resources and Azure subscriptions, Azure Active Directory, and other Azure services. What is Azure CLI? Azure CLI, Command Line Interface, is a command line tool provided by Microsoft Azure that allows developers and administrators to manage and automate Azure resources using text commands in a terminal or command prompt. It provides a cross-platform command line interface that can be used on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux to interact with Azure services and resources. What is Azure API? Azure API refers to the Application Programming Interfaces, APIs, provided by Microsoft Azure, a cloud computing platform for developers to build, manage, and integrate various Azure services and functionalities into their own applications. These APIs enable developers to access Azure resources and services programmatically, automate tasks, and create custom workflows, among other things. Azure APIs support multiple programming languages, including .NET, Java, Node.js, Python, and Ruby, among others. What is Azure SDK? Azure API refers to the Application Programming Interfaces, APIs, provided by Microsoft Azure, a cloud computing platform for developers to build, manage, and integrate various Azure services and functionalities into their own applications. These APIs enable developers to access Azure resources and services programmatically, automate tasks, and create custom workflows, among other things. Azure APIs support multiple programming languages, including .NET, Java, Node.js, Python, and Ruby, among others. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.